Hello, everyone. My name is Edward Murray, and this is my video review for MDF2, term 1013, and this is for Project 1. So, this week we learned how to uh, take a Twitter account that is registered on a device, um, ask Twitter for permission to access that account, and display some information such as the Twitter feed as well as the user information. So I'll just go through the code a little bit here. Um, you can see here as soon as the view loads, I create this alert view that pretty much just tells the user that the application is currently loading the tweets. It's also got a activity indicator. It's just a little spinner that is just for visual reference. Users tend to automatically assume that icon means the application is loading. Then we got our bit of code that registers our custom cell that we created for our table view. Um, and then what I did with the Twitter feed is I put it inside of its own function to call. That way I can call it in different areas of my application without having to write this code all over again. So as soon as the application loads, it pops up that message. It goes ahead and calls the refresh tweets function. And then down here in the refresh tweets function, you can see I go ahead and set up all my AC account type and AC account store, um, request access to the account, um, and then have my string for the URL. Right now, I'm just pulling the user's timeline. I didn't enter in any kind of like another user's information or anything. I figured the user would want to see their timeline. The request to Twitter. If the request is not equal nil, that's when we go ahead and set the account, grab the data, put the data in an array, and then that's where we can access that data to present on the table view. We also have the onPost function, which allows the user to post a new tweet from within the application. And then the button to present the user details view. When they click on it, it'll pull up their user information. And then the refresh button basically just calls that refresh tweets function and updates the table view. And then we just got the basic the table view set up down here, and the did select row at index path function as well for the detail view of the tweets. So I'll go ahead and run through the application for you. You see we have our message that says loading tweets. Once that loads, the message goes away. You see here I have the add a new tweet function. For now, I'll just do posted from send it. This takes a little minute for it to update when you hit refresh tweets. I don't know why that disappears instantly. I couldn't figure out how to get that to stay up. But you can see it actually posted to the account, and now the table view is updated with the new post. If you click on it, it'll take you to a new detail feed. I just put all this information into a text view, and then over here I just kind of did a string and formatted it a little bit, and then passed that over to the Twitter the tweet details view controller, and then updated the text view with that. What else? Let's see. And then we got the home button that pretty much takes you back there. And then we got the profile of the user. The description takes a really long time to update for some reason. So, but you can see that's working. It pulls pretty much just the name, the description. I don't have a description on my news or on my Twitter account, so I just went in there and added "This is for me," followers and friends, and that's pretty much it. This week went pretty well. Didn't run into a whole lot of problems. I think the biggest thing I ran into was doing the figuring out a way to do the refresh. But I was able to get that done, and I look forward to next week.